So one last feature that we're going to go through is how to save a graph as a template. So unfortunately, this feature is only available in the app version of Excel, which you can see looks different from the web browser version. It's not available in the web browser, which is kind of annoying, but I think this tool is worth learning. So basically, the idea is that you can just create a graph with the correct criteria and like the style that you need at the beginning of the year one time, and then you don't have to do all that like tedious editing again. So all you're going to do is right click your graph and go to save as template, and then I'm going to call this graph for ACER. Okay, so let's say you did that at the beginning of the year for lab A. Now the next time you do your lab and you need a new graph, you can select whatever data you have. You're going to do the same thing, go to insert, chart, and you can still do your scatter, but it actually doesn't really matter what style, like what kind of chart you choose, because what you're going to do with your new graph is just right click and do change chart type. You're going to go to your templates, and then you're going to choose the one you made at the beginning of the year, and it's just going to change the style of the graph into the one that you had before. And so this way you don't have to like turn on the axis titles, you don't have to turn off the grid lines, or do your trend line or anything. You do obviously have to like put in the specifics, so it's still generic, but it's very helpful because this way you won't have to spend as much time editing the format, and you also won't like lose random points from just like forgetting to do random things like turn off your grid lines. So it's very helpful. Thank you so much for watching our video, and we really hope that it helps with your post labs. Bye!